Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have admin access and the right target, the device, the operating system, or the router itself. Once done, open settings on your device or the router web UI. On laptops, use the Wi-Fi icon or airplane mode toggle to act fast. Make sure you note the SSID and any active guest networks. If you can't access the router, stop and get login credentials. Without them, you can't disable the Wlan centrally. You now execute the core actions. On individual devices, flip the Wi-Fi toggle or enable airplane mode so they disconnect immediately. For network-wide off, log into the router's web interface using its IP, then navigate to wireless or WLAN settings and switch Wi-Fi to off or disable SSID broadcast. Once done, disable any guest networks and save settings. If the router supports schedules, create an always-off rule. Make sure to apply changes and wait for the router to commit. Finish by rebooting the router and any connected devices, then verify no device can see or join the SSID. Use another phone to confirm. Make sure you save the router configuration and record any passwords you changed so you can reverse the action later. If the WLAN won't disable, check for pending firmware updates and retry. If that fails, reset the admin password and retry, or perform a factory reset as a last resort. This often clears stuck settings and lets you reconfigure cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.